Yo, YouTube. Yeah, man, it's Tevron American, and welcome to my unboxing. I'm gonna be unboxing the Sony HT-S350 Soundbar with the subwoofer. I recently purchased a Panasonic model with the soundbar and subwoofer, but I had syncing issues with the Bluetooth, so I managed to get an exchange, paid an extra £30, and yeah, man, it's here right now, so I'm ready to unbox this, see what this is about. So, without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and open this thing. Let's go. Yeah, I know it's a little bit awkward how I'm lying down, but I think that was the only way. Using a goddamn kitchen knife. Our original. Come on, mate. Stop taking the piss. Alright, 1 down, 3 to go. Ooh, almost took my goddamn hand off. I need to be careful with these reviews, man. These unboxings, I should say. Alright. Alright, the first wave done. Okay. I'm guessing that's the big boy right there. This is the open that bit. So I'm guessing that's the remote. It's a little bit on the skinny side of my hand, right there. Cool. All right, let's get the. This is a big meaty motherfucker. Oh, god damn. This is heavy. I'm a gym guy, but this thing's heavy, you know. God damn. Ooh. Got a bit of grip there now. Gotta be careful when you're picking this up, you know. Get some grip from the hole of the subwoofer, man. Almost dropped the damn thing. So that's the manual. The battery for the remote. It's got an optical cable. That is a win-win situation. The Panasonic didn't have any of that, so I'm glad that they included that with some batteries as well. And the main one, the soundbar. Whew, that's a long thing. Let me. Damn, it's so long I can't get in the picture. There we go. You see that? Alright, so let's open this one first of all. Right, let me show you now what it looks like. Man, I like that look, man. Nice mesh, man. I like the simplicity of it as well. Show you the back of that thing too. I know y'all enthusiasts want to see what's going on in the back too. So, alright, cool. I hope I showed you the top bit there. So, I'm using my one hand. Yeah, there we go. I can't wait to play Mortal Kombat on this though. Can't wait to smash people with Shao Kahn's hammer, man. The bass off that, man, it's gonna be. I reckon it's gonna sound decent, man. Look at it. Look at it, man. Look at the size of this thing. This has got meat, you know. But raw, which way is it meant to go? I'm sure it's I'm sure I got it the wrong way around, you know. Oh shit! I have. What a noob I am. Right. I can see everything there at the top as well. I like the simplicity of it, man. It's nice. Thing is goddamn heavy though. Whew. Alright, yo, so I forgot to add this bit, man. I want to make sure you guys see everything, man. So that's the remote right there. So I'm just gonna put the batteries in this. Alright, man, so this is what it looks like, man, on my TV, man. Look at the size of this thing. Don't worry about the table stand and that, man, you know. I'm getting an upgrade. Don't worry about that. But look at the size of the subwoofer, man. That's one big, meaty piece of shit, man. Like, god damn, that's a lot of meat. So yeah, man, I'm just gonna go ahead and, yeah, boy, okay. All right, yo, so I'm just gonna end this video off with a little sound test just to give you guys a little bit of a taste of what's going on my side. And yeah, for the newcomers out there that's just seeing this video, just give me a week. I'll give you guys a full review of the sound system, just give you guys a little bit of an understanding and a little bit of depth on what it's like to have this. So further ado, man, I'm just gonna roll the clip, man, and test this. Let's go. This is with no bass now. Let me show you. Now with bass. No bass now. Now bass. No bass. Now I'm gonna add the bass again. Ooh. God damn. No bass. Shout out to old school brother, man. The beat's neat, man. And yeah, that's it, man. For the newcomers out there that's just seeing this video, make sure to drop a sub and a like, man. There's more videos to come your way. But till next time, guys, I'm out. Peace. I'm out. Down.